Write 956.97 correct to the nearest hundred. And so we have this number, 956.97, and we have to write this correct to the nearest hundred. So we're going to circle the 9 because the 9 is in the hundreds place, and we underline the 5. Now, once it's 5 or greater, we can round up. So we add 1 to 9, and so it's going to be 9 plus 1, which is 10. And so that means that we're going to have 1,000, all right? So what we have here, we have that 956.97. When we write it correct to the nearest hundred, it gives us 1,000. Now let's move on to this next one. We have to write 956.97. We have to write 956.97 correct to two significant figures. And so 9 is the first significant figure, 5 is the second significant figure, 6 is the third, and so on. So we're going to circle the second significant figure, which is 5, and we underline 6, right? We underline 6. Now, once it's 5 or greater, we can round up. So we add 1 to 5, so it's going to be 5 plus 1, and 5 plus 1 is definitely 6. And so this is 9, 6, and this 6 turns into a 0. So this is going to be 960. All right, and so this is our answer here. Next, we want to write 956.97 correct to one decimal place. Now this 9 right here is the first number behind the decimal point, so we have to circle it. And next we underline 7, right? We underline 7. Now once it's 5 or greater, we are going to add 1. Once it's 5 or greater, we add 1. And so since 7 is greater than 5, that means that we add 1 to 9. So there's going to be 9 plus 1, and 9 plus 1 is definitely 10. And so what's going to happen is we have this 9 turns into a 0, and we add 1 to 6. Okay, we add 1 to 6. And if you add 1 to 6, well, this becomes 6 plus 1, which is 7. And so this is going to be 957.0 because the 9 turns into a 0 and we drop off the 7. And so these are our answers to this question.